Hey everyone, I'm Daisy with Dherbs.com. Here at Dherbs, we get a lot of health-related questions, and today we're going to answer some viewer questions about nicotine and tobacco products. Our first question comes from Kimmy. Hi Dherbs, I've been vaping for a while, but my mom only found out about it recently. She's super pissed because she's always been really strict about smoking. But I told her I'm not going to get cancer from candy-flavored vape juice. She insists I'm wrong, but let's be real here. Kimmy, this is fiction. You are right that using vapes for nicotine is not the same as using traditional cigarettes, but vapes and e-liquids still expose you to heavy metals that are toxic, or just good old-fashioned carcinogens. Beyond that, lots of e-liquids can contain respiratory irritants, which means they increase your risk of acute lung disease. And this is besides the fact that nicotine is toxic in and of itself. It's also true that we don't for sure know how vapes will affect people's lungs in 20 years, since they haven't been around for that long. But your mom is definitely right that vaping puts you at real risk of serious health problems and nicotine addiction, even if the vape tastes like candy. Our next question comes from Danny. Howdy Dherbs, I've been a smoker for a long time, but I just had my first kid. I'm considering quitting for her sake, but I've tried before and really struggled, so I'm not sure if I can make it happen. Does not quitting put her in danger? Best, Danny. Danny, this is a fact. Even if you go outside or to a separate location to smoke, parental smoking is one of the biggest risk factors in kids becoming smokers, especially at an early age. And this is true even if you manage to quit once she's older. Plus, studies have shown that children of smokers are almost inevitably exposed to secondhand and third-hand smoke in their homes, which can have lifelong negative health effects, including increased risk for lung disease and cancer. Quitting cigarettes is really hard. It may take you several more tries, but it will make a big difference to your child. Our final question comes from Anna. Hi Dherbs, I moved to a big city a couple months ago, and there are a lot of smokers here, like a lot. I can't walk to a corner store without passing 4 or 5 people smoking. I've talked to my friends about it and they think it's not a big deal, but I don't like that I'm having to breathe this in on a regular basis. Can secondhand smoke still hurt me from a distance? Sincerely, Anna. Anna, this is a fact. Secondhand smoke exposure is a major carcinogen, and it can affect you even when you can't smell the tobacco, because about 85% of the aerosols from cigarettes don't have a smell. This can get worse if your city bans indoor smoking but allows outdoor smoking, because smokers will become more concentrated outside doorways, and that causes a buildup of tobacco smoke in the air. So, it's important to exercise caution. Try not to spend too much time in places where you smell smoke, or where you see a lot of cigarette butts on the ground, especially if they're still lit. And you can think about moving or maybe getting involved in local government to work on the smoking regulations in your city. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have a question you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.